Hello! Welcome back. Today, you are going to practice real English for your daily life. You will learn to speak about food and shopping more naturally. This practice will help you feel very confident the next time you go to the store. Are you ready? Let's start right now. Listen and repeat. I am hungry today. Now, repeat after me. I am hungry today. I look in the kitchen. Now repeat after me. I look in the kitchen. The fridge is empty. Now repeat after me. The fridge is empty. There is no food here. Now repeat after me. There is no food here. I need to go shopping. Now repeat after me. I need to go shopping. I take a piece of paper. Now repeat after me. I take a piece of paper. I write a shopping list. Now repeat after me. I write a shopping list. I need many things. Now repeat after me. I need many things. I want to eat healthy. Now repeat after me. I want to eat healthy. I put on my jacket. Now repeat after me. I put on my jacket. I take my car keys. Now repeat after me. I take my car keys. I am driving to the market. Now repeat after me. I am driving to the market. The supermarket is very big. Now repeat after me. The supermarket is very big. I take a shopping cart. Now repeat after me. I take a shopping cart. I walk to the fruit section. Now repeat after me. I walk to the fruit section. I see many red apples. Now repeat after me. I see many red apples. The apples look very fresh. Now repeat after me. The apples look very fresh. I put 6 apples in a bag. Now repeat after me. I put 6 apples in a bag. I also need some bananas. Now repeat after me. I also need some bananas. The bananas are yellow and sweet. Now repeat after me. The bananas are yellow and sweet. I love eating fruit. Now repeat after me. I love eating fruit. Now I need vegetables. Now repeat after me. Now I need vegetables. I look for some tomatoes. Now repeat after me. I look for some tomatoes. I find big red tomatoes. Now repeat after me. I find big red tomatoes. I need a green lettuce. Now repeat after me. I need a green lettuce. The lettuce is very crunchy. Now repeat after me. The lettuce is very crunchy. I am buying some onions too. Now repeat after me. I am buying some onions too. Onions are good for cooking. Now repeat after me. Onions are good for cooking. I walk to the back of the store. Now repeat after me. I walk to the back of the store. I need a bottle of milk. Now repeat after me. I need a bottle of milk. The milk is very cold. Now repeat after me. The milk is very cold. I check the expiration date. Now repeat after me. I check the expiration date. The date is perfect. Now repeat after me. The date is perfect. I put the milk in the cart. Now repeat after me. I put the milk in the cart. I am doing a good job. Now repeat after me. I am doing a good job. I am speaking English clearly. Now repeat after me.
I am speaking English clearly.
You are doing fantastic. Let's continue with the shopping and then go home to cook. Keep repeating with a strong voice. I need a loaf of bread. Now repeat after me. I need a loaf of bread. The bread smells wonderful. Now repeat after me. The bread smells wonderful. It is still very warm. Now repeat after me. It is still very warm. I also want some eggs. Now repeat after me. I also want some eggs. I take a box of 12 eggs. Now repeat after me. I take a box of 12 eggs. I am very careful with the eggs. Now repeat after me. I am very careful with the eggs. I don't want to break them. Now repeat after me. I don't want to break them. Now my cart is full. Now repeat after me. Now my cart is full. I walk to the checkout. Now repeat after me. I walk to the checkout. There is a small line. Now repeat after me. There is a small line. I wait for my turn. Now repeat after me. I wait for my turn. I talk to the cashier. Now repeat after me. I talk to the cashier. I say, "Hello, how are you?" Now repeat after me. I say, "Hello, how are you?" She says, "I am fine, thank you." Now repeat after me. She says, "I am fine, thank you." I pay with my credit card. Now repeat after me. I pay with my credit card. The food is expensive today. Now repeat after me. The food is expensive today. But the quality is good. Now repeat after me. But the quality is good. I put the bags in the car. Now repeat after me. I put the bags in the car. I am driving back home. Now repeat after me. I am driving back home. I arrive at my house. Now repeat after me. I arrive at my house. I take the bags to the kitchen. Now repeat after me. I take the bags to the kitchen. I put the food away. Now repeat after me. I put the food away. Now I want to cook dinner. Now repeat after me. Now I want to cook dinner. I wash the vegetables with water. Now repeat after me. I wash the vegetables with water. I take a sharp knife. Now repeat after me. I take a sharp knife. I cut the tomatoes slowly. Now repeat after me. I cut the tomatoes slowly. I put a pan on the stove. Now repeat after me. I put a pan on the stove. The stove is very hot. Now repeat after me. The stove is very hot. I cook the onions first. Now repeat after me. I cook the onions first. The smell is incredible. Now repeat after me. The smell is incredible. I am making a big salad. Now repeat after me. I am making a big salad. Cooking is very relaxing for me. Now repeat after me. Cooking is very relaxing for me. The dinner is ready now. Now repeat after me. The dinner is ready now. The food looks delicious. Now repeat after me. The food looks delicious. I sit down at the table. Now repeat after me. I sit down at the table. I am enjoying my meal. Now repeat after me. I am enjoying my meal. I feel very satisfied. Now repeat after me. I feel very satisfied. My English is improving every day. Now repeat after me. My English is improving every day. I am proud of my work. Now repeat after me. I am proud of my work. Excellent session today. You practiced many useful sentences for your daily life. If you repeat this video tomorrow, your English will be even better. I am Alex, and I love seeing your progress. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I will see you in our next lesson. Goodbye.